It's already recording now.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah,
Shall I just hold in dry?
You ready?
Okay. Woo. Cool, man. Awesome. Awesome.
So guys, today we're at Ram, which is this river here, I think. As you can see, we're doing a little rock hop, and we're gonna go up to a place called Colossus.
Oh my god.
Ja, so normalerweise kann ich die
beide
hier.
Hände, ja. Du brauchst beide Hände hier.
Ah, okay, ja. Dann.
Falls sie kommen.
Also wie lange bist du schon in Vietnam?
Ich bin über ein Jahr.
Über ein Jahr? Okay, ja, so vor dem Pandemie.
Ja, genau. Ich bin direkt vor dem Lockdown gekommen.
Ja, ich auch. So, 3. März. Entschuldigung. Hey! Woo! Okay, ciao. Alright guys, so we can actually jump in to this river. So let's go. Oh guys, this is beautiful. Look at this. Holy shit. Go for it, man. Here, watch out, Ralph. We're gonna go on a much higher jump over into the waterfall. So this is gonna be awesome. Where am I going? Oh, Jesus. Woo! Hey, buddy. Dude, no way. So here,
That's the best spot?
and then there, boom. All right, guys, well, yeah. All right. Dude, your turn. Oh, So after eating and swimming at this first waterfall, we decided to take the long and semi-treacherous trek up to the Colossus waterfall. All right, guys, this is some next level sketchy shit, but it's awesome. Say what? Yeah, I'm all good. Oh, here. Yeah, thanks, man. Woo! Dude, talk about an adventure. Holy shit. Gosh, I am sweating bullets though. I don't think I've sweat this much in a long time. Oh, these roots are so cool though.
Yeah.
All right, guys, here we go. Woo! Oh my God.
Not sure you got the easier way.
The easier way.
I don't think you got the easier way.
Oh no, did you guys come up through there or?
Go from there, yeah.
Oh man. Yeah.
Thank you.
No worries.
It's okay. It's okay.
You got it? All right, dude. Jay, where it's wet there, you'll see like the roots. Just grab on those roots, come up here, and then you come around here. Dann hast du diese große Wurzel. Da ist diese große, ja, dann, ja. Dann ist es einfacher, hier runter zu gehen. Ja.
Alrighty.
Woo. Ja, aber ja, es ist ein bisschen. Aber mit diesem Rucksack ist es ein bisschen kompliziert. Ei. Ah. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yay! Yeah, man. Yeah, absolutely. Oh, watch out! Oh, are you okay?
Careful.
It's very, very, very slick here. It's yeah. This is kind of. It might be easier to go around another way. This is really, really slick. Dude, this is awesome. Yeah, you just run down it and then jump onto this one. Here, I'm gonna get in the shade for a bit. Guys, that's some next level rock hopping. Yeah, so we're gonna continue going up here. But yeah, that's yeah, it's definitely really interesting. So if you guys don't have any experience like crawling over rocks and doing hiking and climbing and stuff, maybe suggest not doing this one and staying down at the bottom. Oh, this is so much fun. Oh, a little hot in the feet though. Woo! This is it. Ah. All right, guys. So we finally made it to. You said it's Colossal, right? Colossus? Colossus. Yeah. So the Colossus here, and yeah. it's definitely a little bit of a hike. Yeah, I probably should have put shoes on. Yo! Woo! Alright guys, so we ended up going a little further than in Colossus. And we're going up to this other waterfall. That's so nice, and there is nobody here. Yeah, let's continue going. Man, this is beautiful. Wir sind zurück. Mann, meine Füße sind gebrannt. Literally guys, the waterfalls are like never ending. I mean, look out there. It'd be cool to find out where it actually ends, like completely ends. Yeah, I don't know how much further you'd have to go for that. And I didn't bring any water. Ja, so, wir können immer noch weitergehen, aber ja, aber dann, ja. Also mal sehen. Let's continue. Yeah. Oh, oh my feet. Ow, wow, 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 wow. Ah, that's so hot. That's so hot. Ow. I think I'm gonna have blisters on the bottom of my feet tonight. All right, here we go. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Ja, ja. Also ich bin dran. Was?
Viele Fische.
Ah ja? Ah. Oh ja, so kleine. Nicht zu essen. Aber ja. Okay. Ja, super. Okay. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna end on that note. We're still here at the Colossus. We're gonna hike back down, but it's starting to get a little dark, so we're just gonna cut it here. But once again guys, thanks for watching. Oh my goodness, I almost dropped all my things. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I'll be coming out with some more waterfall kind of adventure videos here soon. Like I said, if you guys do want to go on this hike, just ask in one of the outdoor adventure groups when you're here in Da Nang. We're trying to keep this place as pristine as possible. So yeah, I just don't want to actually show the location of this place. But with that being said guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll be seeing you guys next week. So, ciao ciao.